we doing today? Are we having fun Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday? Are we having fun one of those? I hope so. If not, make it fun. But welcome back to my channel. Today for me is homecoming. It's about like 9:30 right now. And last night, or actually not last night, like yesterday afternoon, I scheduled a hair appointment to get my hair redone. Because it's all grown out, basically. So that's what we're gonna do. That's the first step to getting ready for homecoming. Did I say it was homecoming? I don't know if I've even said that it was homecoming, but today is homecoming and I gotta get ready. So welcome to my homecoming get ready with me / vlog. So we're gonna go get my hair done and then we'll do some other stuff to prepare for senior homecoming. I left the football game early last night because I was tired. And then I went to bed at 9:15. When I say that stuff out loud, it just makes me feel like I have no life, which I really don't, but that's okay. I don't care. It's fine. But I will see you after I get my hair done. Before and after. And I know it's kind of hard to compare because my hair was like curly earlier and now it's straight, but whatever. You got the before, you got the after, now you're satisfied. Anyway, I'm starving because I haven't eaten since breakfast and it's 1 o'clock, so I'm gonna pick up a smoothie thing from Jamba Juice, then I'm gonna get ready. You're also probably like, yo, what are you doing for homecoming? And the answer is, haven't really figured that out yet. I know it's last minute, but I don't really care. Here's the layout. Isabella, my best friend, she's coming over. Actually, I'm just gonna do her makeup. What else? We'll go take a couple of pictures, just the two of us. We'll go out to dinner, and then we're gonna go off to the dance, and then she's gonna spend the night, and then, yeah, and then the video will be over. And then we'll all continue on with our lives. But step one, hairness, check. See, that's why YouTube is cool, because then I can make it look like it didn't just take 5 hours. It wasn't 5 hours, like 25 minutes to get a smoothie. With editing, you can make it look like it took 4 seconds. I'm not gonna really do anything fancy whatsoever for makeup because frankly, I don't have time and I'm tired and I don't want to put in that much effort to makeup.
Swag.
Let's get started. Finally done with the makeup. Took a little bit longer, like, I don't know, 30 minutes longer than expected, but that's okay. I'll get over it. Anyway, now I think I'm gonna do my hair. Let's continue getting ready. And we're done. Oh my gosh. How do people do that every single morning? I could not do that every single morning. I can barely do it twice a year. But I don't know, just gonna chill until Isabella comes over. We'll take some pictures in the backyard because
I ain't going to no place fancy.
Some great grandma right there. What else is new? Oh, so basically what happened is at school, my chair is squeaking so much. But anyway, at school there was this guy whose TikTok went viral and it's like all that anyone can talk about and that's all that anyone is gonna be talking about tonight. And it's gonna be kind of annoying but also like, yeah, it's just gonna be kind of annoying. But that's okay, whatever. I'll see you once Isabella gets here. Gotta shake the salad, y'all. And we got our dinner, which is macaroni salad. We are thriving. And we're literally just gonna watch like Dr. Phil or something like that until it's actually time to go. And also have to straighten her hair too. And I know a bunch of other people's homecoming vlogs make you have FOMO that you're not there with them, but you're probably just watching this out of pity for me. It's okay. I enjoy my salad in my life. Okay, cool. Peace. So we just finished taking pictures. Here's a montage of my dress. So there's my dress. I wore heels for the pictures, but I'm not gonna wear heels during the dance because
Effort.
also, fun fact, freshman year homecoming, I went barefoot, which we did for some odd reason. I don't know why, it's a little bit gross. Not a little bit gross, it is really gross. I went barefoot and then a girl stepped on my foot. The stiletto heel went straight into like my pointer toe. I don't know if the toe broke, it might have, I'm pretty sure it did. So that's the story, and it hurt a lot. Anyway, I'm gonna straighten Isabella's hair or go at some point.
Julio.
Okay, time to go to the dance. We just watched a bunch of David Dobrik videos.
It was so funny.
Yay, yeah. Let's go to the dance. It'll be fun, I think, as long as they don't play like some annoying songs. Okay, let's go. So I guess that was it for today's video, you know. Homecoming, overall, this experience, honestly, out of like the 4 times I guess I've been to homecoming, this was like the most boring. But that's okay. It's just like nothing super exciting happened. No like iconic songs were played, unfortunately. But, well, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.